Setting up a shared folder on VirtualBox is one of the easiest ways to share files between your host PC and your guest PC. In this case, I'm going to be sharing files between a Windows 10 PC and an Ubuntu course virtual machine that's available on the School of Computer Science technical website. To get started, click on the guest machine you would like to start sharing folders with, and then click on Settings. From here, navigate to Shared Folders. On the Shared Folders tab, you can either click Add a new shared folder on the top right, or you can right-click and click Add Shared Folder. The folder path represents the folder on the host PC that you would like to share and store your files. In this case, I'm going to click the drop-down and select Other. Now I can share whatever folder I would like. In this case, I'm going to go into my Documents, create a new folder, and call it the 2401 Shared Files. And then I'm going to go ahead and press Select the folder. The folder name can be whatever you want. This is what the folder is going to show up as on your guest machine. In my case, I'm just going to leave it as the same name as the Windows PC side. The read-only option is here if you don't want the guest machine to affect the files on the host machine. In this case, I'm going to be working with those files on the guest machine, so I'm not going to check read-only. If auto mount is selected, the guest machine will automatically try to find the shared folder and make it available for use. I'm going to go ahead and select auto mount. The mount point is specifically where the guest machine is going to point to the shared file. The default option is usually fine here unless you know what you're doing. Press OK. Now, the shared folder should be available to you when you load up the virtual machine. Now that I've loaded into the course virtual machine, you can see that there's a Shared Folders folder on the desktop. In there, you can see the folder that we shared on the Windows side. If we click into this folder, there's nothing in it, but that's only because we didn't actually put any files in. Let's go ahead and right-click and create a new document. Let's just make it a plain text, call it plaintext.txt. And now, if we navigate to it on our host PC, we open up the comp2401 shared files folder, and inside we see our plaintext.txt. Let's go ahead and add some content. So now we save and go back to our virtual machine. Without closing the virtual machine, we can see that the text is updated. Setting up shared folders is one of the easiest ways to synchronize your files between the host machine and the guest machine.